गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम आवर चैनल सिद्रा सेंटर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. टुडे इज़ योर EVS class. In EVS we have completed 8 chapter. Now we will start chapter number 9, that is teeth, ears and hair of animals. In this chapter we will learn about the animal teeth, animal ears, animal hairs. Okay, come here. Let us learn about, in this chapter we will learn teeth of animals, animals ears, animal hair. Do you remember? Give 2 examples for each of the following. Animals that eat plants. We have to write the name of animals who eats plant. We have to write name of animals who eat flesh. Animals that eat both plants and flesh. We have to write the name of animals, those animals who eats plants and flesh. Okay, children, what is the meaning of carnivores, herbivores and omnivores, right? First we have to discuss about the carnivores. There are different types of animals, have different shape of body, different teeth to eat, and also different hair to protect him body, right? The 3 diets of animals include creatures that eat only plants, those that eat only meat, and animals that eat plants exclusively are herbivores, and animals that eat only meat are carnivores. When animals eat both plants and meat, they are called omnivores, right? What is the meaning of carnivores? Animals, come here. Animals that tear, grind and chew their food. Animals that eat flesh have long, sharp and pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew flesh and bones. For example, lions, fox and tigers. Animals who eat flesh of other animals, it is called carnivores, like tiger, lions, fox and tigers. Okay, now we have to come herbivores. Animals that eat grass have sharp, and animals that eat grass, it is called herbivores. And what is the meaning of omnivores? Omnivores and omnivores, animals who eat flesh and plants both, it is called omnivores, right? For example, look at here, herbivores. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants or plant product. Example, cow, horse, goat, etc. Okay, herbivores means शाकाहारी. जो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स खाते हैं, ग्रास खाते हैं, उनको वो किस में आते हैं? herbivores में. Then we have to come carnivores. Carnivores means मांसाहारी. Animals that eat other animals for meat or flesh. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो दूसरे एनिमल्स का मीट और फ्लैश खाते हैं, उनको वो एनिमल्स कार्निवोर्स में आते हैं, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, लॉयन, टाइगर, लिजर्ड एक्सेट्रा. नाउ वी हैव टू कम ओमनिवोर्स. एनिमल्स, ओमनिवोर्स मीन्स सर्वाहारी. those animals who eat plants and flesh both, it is called omnivores. For example, dog, cat, crow and etc. Okay, so you have to read carefully this paragraph. Okay, I will start here. Animals that now have very sharp front teeth. These help them to eat seeds, fruits and nuts. For example, rabbits, squirrel, mice and porcupines. In this chapter there are different types of animals who eats flesh, who eats plants, who eat plants and flesh both, but they have also a different teeth to eat flesh, eat plants, eat grass. Okay. Now we have to come teeth of animals. Look at here. Children, are you able to understand? Say yes or no. Okay. The shape of the animal's teeth are related to its diet. For example, plant matter is hard to digest, so herbivores have many molars for chewing and grinding. Okay. The animal's teeth are related to its diet. डाइट के अकॉर्डिंग एनिमल्स के जो टीथ होते हैं वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग ही प्लांट्स खाते हैं, मीट खाते हैं, देन प्लांट्स खाते हैं. चीविंग मीन्स चबाना, उनको ग्राइंड करके चीविंग करके वो खाते हैं, राइट. कार्निवोर्स ऑन द अदर हैंड हैव कैनाइन टीथ टू किल प्रे एंड टू टीयर मीट. इन कार्निवोर्स, animals who eats other animals flesh, it is called carnivores. So in the carnivores, the animals teeth have canine to kill prey and tear meat. Okay, there are some questions on animal. What animals have ears? What animals have ears? Dog ears. Dogs can hear higher frequencies that humans. डॉग के जो ईयर्स होते हैं उनकी फ्रिक्वेंसी बहुत हाई होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द ह्यूमन्स ईयर्स. ओके, उनके कान बहुत शार्प और तेज होते हैं. कैट ईयर्स आर इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर दैन डॉग ईयर्स. कैट्स के जो ईयर्स होते हैं डॉग के ईयर्स से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, राइट. रैबिट्स आर फेमस फॉर देयर लॉन्ग ईयर्स. रैबिट के जो ईयर्स होते हैं वो लॉन्ग ईयर्स होते हैं, लाइक दैट. लुक एट हियर, रैबिट ईयर्स, लॉन्ग ईयर्स. बैट ईयर्स. बैट्स आर वेल नोन फॉर यूजिंग. बैट्स ईयर्स ऑल्सो आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ईयर्स. नाउ विच एनिमल इज डीप? ऑक्टोपाई, squids and cuttlefish, sea lions, snakes, these animals are deep. We have to come animal ears. There are different types of animals have different ears. Okay, an elephant has huge ears. Elephants के ears जो होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं शेप में, right. Apart from hearing, animals use their ears for various other purpose. For example, elephants have huge triangular ears. They flap both their ears almost together. This keeps their body cool. The size of an elephant's ear tells us about the place or region it belongs to. Elephants in hotter climates have large ears. Now, ears of birds. Birds do not have external visible ears like human beings. Birds के जो ईयर्स होते हैं वो एक्सटर्नल नहीं होते, एक्सटर्नली नहीं होते हैं, विजिबल नहीं होते हैं जैसे ह्यूमंस के ईयर्स दिखते हैं. देयर आर स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स ऑन द बोथ साइड्स. उनके जो दोनों साइड है थोड़ी थोड़ी से स्मॉल ओपनिंग, छोटे छोटे से होल होते हैं, राइट. ऑन द स्कल ऑफ बर्ड, द स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स आर द ईयर्स ऑफ बर्ड्स. दे हिडन एंड प्रोटेक्टेड बाय फीदर्स. वो अपने पंखों से उनको छुपा कर रखती हैं और प्रोटेक्ट करके रखती हैं. सिंस आउल्स आर एक्टिव एट नाइट. आउल्स कब एक्टिव होता है? एट नाइट. दे हैव वेल डेवलप हियरिंग सिस्टम. उसके जो हियरिंग सिस्टम है बहुत अच्छा है. एंड आउल्स ईयर्स आर लोकेटेड ऑन द साइड्स इट्स हेड बिहाइंड इट्स आइज. दे आर कवर्ड बाय द फीदर्स ऑफ द फेशियल डिस्क. नाउ ईयर्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट. इंसेक्ट्स डू नॉट हैव ईयर्स. इंसेक्ट्स के ईयर्स नहीं होते. साउंड्स आर जस्ट वाइब्रेशन इन द ईयर फॉर दैम. जो ईयर्स में जो भी वाइब्रेशंस होते हैं, साउंड्स होते हैं, वो उनको महसूस करके ही फील करती हैं, राइट. मोस्ट इंसेक्ट्स पिक अप दैम वाइब्रेशन इन द ईयर विद द हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडीज. सम इंसेक्ट यूज देयर एंटीना टू पिक अप वाइब्रेशन अराउंड दैम. सिसडस हैव देयर हेयरिंग ऑर्गन्स इन देयर स्टमक. सेडस जो होता है उसके हेयरिंग ऑर्गन्स कहाँ होता है? इन देयर, उसके स्टमक में, उसके पेट में. क्रिकेट्स हैव देयर हेयरिंग ऑर्गन्स इन देयर नीज. क्रिकेट्स के जो हेयरिंग सिस्टम ऑर्गन्स है वो कहाँ है? नीज मीन्स घुटना, राइट. we have to come animal hair. Animals hair is important to mammals for a number of reasons. Although animal hair seems very delicate to us, keratin protein is one of the toughest protein an animal can produce, and hair is unique to mammals. Okay, there are some questions. What are the three basic types of animals' hairs? Animals' hairs are classified into three basic types. Guard hairs that form the outer coat of an animal and provide protection. Next, fur or wool hairs that form the inner coat of an animal and provide insulation. Then, third one, tactile hair, whiskers that are found on the head of animals and provide sensory function. There are three types of hairs, animals hairs. First, guard hairs who protect the whole body of animal, outer coat of an animal. Then fur or whole hair is also provide the insulation of an animal. Then tactile hair provide the sensory function of on the head of animals. Okay. Children, are you able to understand what I am teaching in this chapter? We have to learn three things: teeth and teeth of animals, animal ears, animal hair. Okay, we have to read once again and understand the things what is written in the paragraph about the animal hair, animal ears, animal hair, teeth of animals, and you have to learn about the omnivorous animals, carnivores animals, and herbivorous animals. That is very important thing in this chapter. And you have to learn about the teeth of animals also. You have to search about the different types of animals have different types of teeth. Okay, you have to make a list of the teeth of animals, different types of teeth of animals, animals ears, animal hair. Okay, it's all for today. I have sent the homework in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.